Good evening, everybody. People that aren't from New England, this is your lucky day because today I'm going to teach you how to grill hamburgers during a blizzard. First off, the proper apparel is the number one thing to worry about. That means Madras shorts, maybe a Tommy Bahama shirt or something like that, and of course flip-flops. And quite simply, you heat up your grill to a nice hot temperature. I think I'm at 555 right now. And, oh, you cannot forget the Maui Jims. And now you're ready to go. So we're at 550 right here, and this is what you do. You place the hamburgers on your hot grill. Okay? Just like that. Don't worry about placement. You close the grill. And for all you people outside of New England, that's how you cook a hamburger in a blizzard.